Hi, my topic is electronic polarization. Here, electronic polarization means the displacement of electron in an atom relative to nucleus in the presence of electric field. By application of electric field, first of all, we have to know what this is. This is an atom which is spherical in shape. So this is nucleus, and this is radius of this atom. The atom is in spherical. So this dark spot indicates the positive region, which is nucleus. This dots indicates an electron cloud because this positive core and negative charge are combined with each other. This is the symbol of dielectric material. So this electron cloud and this positive core are coincided with each other. That means the center of mass of the nucleus and the center of mass of the electron cloud is perfectly coincided with each other. Then the resultant will be 0. There is no charge at all. Okay. So now by placing this sphere in the electric field, then this electron cloud gets displaced from this place like this. This is the center of nucleus. This is the center of electron cloud. It displaces at x. So which type of forces are acting on this? One type of force is Lorentz force and Coulombian force. These two forces are balancing with each other. Then it happens. Okay. Now let us discuss further. The electron in the form of uniformly charged spherical cloud, like cloud, the surroundings the nucleus. When an electric field applied, the electric current and that of the nucleus gets displaced. So this electrons gets displaced. So let us think of certain parameters here. Nuclear charge. That means charge of the nucleus is equal to Ze, the term. Charge of the nucleus charge. So charge of the electron is equal to minus Ze. Both are equal and opposite. Radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere is equal to R. Then charge density. Charge density is equal to rho. Now the negative charge density. Negative charge density in the sphere, rho is equal to minus Ze by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Charge by volume. Density means, generally density means mass by volume, but here there is no question of mass. So the charge by volume, then rho is equal to minus 3 by 4 Ze by pi r cube. This is equation number 1. When this system is subjected to electric field or external field, the nucleus and electron cloud experiences Lorentz force. Lorentz force. That is equal to ZA. Lorentz force means that is repulsive force. Like that means these electrons attracts to the positive plate. Then the small displacement between nucleus and electron is equal to x. It displaces these two center of masses, right, with x. Then this is Lorentz force is repulsive force here. Now the attractive force between these two things, that means the electrons and the nucleus, the Coulombian force between nucleus and electron cloud is equal to ZA into charge enclosed in sphere of radius x divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into x square. And Lorentz force on electron cloud is equal to minus ZE. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. Now I have to find the charge enclosed in the sphere of radius x. That means here this R radius wants to separate from this sphere, but this sphere, the sphere which is having x radius of x, is tries to combine again. That means the Coulombian force, this means attractive force, acts on this small sphere. The repulsive force acts in the big sphere. Now we have to find the charge enclosed in the sphere of radius x. Charge enclosed in the sphere of radius x. Charge is equal to density into volume, because density is equal to charge by volume. So charge is equal to density into volume. Already we know the density from equation 1, that is rho into 4 by 3 pi into x cube. Here the sphere radius is x. Now rho means we know minus 3 by 4 ZE by pi r cube into 4 by 3 pi x cube. 3 by 4, 4 by 3, pi gets cancelled. That is equal to minus ZE by r cube to x cube. Charge enclosed in the sphere of radius x. This is equation number 4. Now put equation 4 in equation 3 here. Put equation 4 in equation 3. Put equation 4 in equation 3. Then Coulombian force is equal to ZA into, that means ZE by 4 pi epsilon naught into x square into charge enclosed in the sphere means minus ZE by r cube x cube. This is charge enclosed in the sphere of radius. Then that is equal to minus z into z, z square, e into e square, then x cube and x square are cancelling with each other, then x divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube. Coulombian force. Coulombian force at equilibrium condition or equilibrium position, Lorentz force is equal to Coulombian force. Lorentz force is equal to Coulombian force. That means the repulsive force is equal to the attractive force here. Then Lorentz force means minus ZEE, which is equation number 3, and this is Coulombian force. This is 5 equation. It means equation 3 is equal to equation 5. ZEE is equal to minus z square e square x by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube minus minus ZE square square. Okay, then the electric field strength E is equal to ZEX by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube. Then x is equal to this is E, x is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r cube by ZE into E. That means here this all terms are constant. 4 constant, pi 3.14, epsilon naught that also constant, radius of the atom is constant, ZE charge of the nucleus is constant. Z means atomic number and charge, so charge of the nucleus is constant. Then x is only variable thing is E, and x is directly proportional to E. That means if electric field increases, then displacement also increases by this equation. Now the dipole moment, mu E, that means due to electrons, mu E is equal to charge into displacement, that means ZE into x. This is equation 6. This is equation number 7. Now put x value in this equation. Put equation 6 in equation 7. It is mu E is equal to ZE into 4 pi epsilon naught r cube by ZE into E. ZE gets cancelled. Then mu E, the dipole moment means the formation of positive and negative terminals or polarities, formation of polarities. That is mu E is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r cube into E. Here the dipole moment mu E is also directly proportional to E. Then mu E is equal to alpha E into E, where alpha E is equal to polarizability. Polarizability. It stands for one atom or molecule, not for bulk, only a single atom. Then alpha E is equal to, compare these two equations, then alpha E is equal to this value. This alpha E is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into R cube. Here alpha is polarizability of an atom. Here alpha E basing on the volume of the atom and independent of temperature. Now the electronic polarization is Pe is equal to N into mu E. That means this is stands for bulk material of a substance. That means N number of dipole moments. Then we know Pe is equal to N into mu E means alpha E into E. It is alpha E into E. Alpha E into E. But we know PE is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r minus 1 into E, which is our previous solution. Now we equate these two equations, that is N alpha E into E is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r minus 1 into E. Then E gets cancelled. Then alpha is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r minus 1 by N. In case of bulk, that means the electronic polarization. Here, if we observe this alpha E, this alpha E is proportional to R cube or E. Then here this alpha E is proportional to R cube. If the radius of atom increases, then the polarization also increases. But in case of number of atoms in bulk, then this alpha E is inversely proportional to N. If number of atoms increases, then alpha E decreases. If the number of atoms are less, then the alpha E is more. Okay, this is a very important topic. Here I would like to write some terms. Here mu is equal to dipole moment. Z means atomic number. E is equal to charge. X is equal to displacement. Epsilon naught permittivity of free space. Capital R radius of the atom. Alpha E I already told, this is polarizability. Pi value we know 3.14. Then N, capital N is equal to number of atoms in bulk. So these are the important terms, which is very, very important for first BTech engineering physics. Of course, for BSc students also. To practice this, first of all you have to practice once by seeing my video and note down all the expression. By listening my voice, note down this expression, total expression, and then practice it. This is the equation part. I wrote in 2 pages, but with matter this will be somewhat more than 2 pages. The proof will be. Thank you. Very important question this is. Thank you.